Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Anissa. Here I will explain the final linguistic assessment pledge and manner of articulation. Okay, the first, explain pledge of articulation refers to the place where the airstream from the lungs or the sound stream from the larynx is considered limited by the articulator. And the second, explain manner of articulation refers to how the airstream from the lungs is directed to the mouth and modified by the various structure to produce a consonant phoneme. Okay, the description of place of articulation. Bilabial, produced by lower and upper lips, such as P, B, and W. Labiodental, produced by lower lip and upper front teeth, such as F, P. Dental, produced by teeth or blade of the tongues and the upper front teeth. Alveolar, produced by tip or blade of the tongues and the alveolar ridge or the gums such as T, N, D, S, Z. Palato, produced by the blade of the tongues and back part of the alveolar ridge. Palatal, produced by front of tongues and the hard palates. Velar, produced by back of the tongues and the velum. Soft palates, such as K, G, W. Glottal, produced in the epiglottis such as H. Okay, and the description of manner of articulation. Plosive, produced by the abstraction of airstream from the lungs followed by a release of the airstream such as P, B, T, D, K, G. Nasal, produced by the release of the air tract the nasal cavity such as M, N. Fricative, produced by the release of a Fresnel-like noise created by the airstream escaping through and variant of narrow gaps in the mouth. Lateral appraisement, produced by the obstruction of the airstream at a point along the center of the oral tract with incomplete closure between one or both sides of the tongue and the roof of the tongue. Appraisement, produced by proximity closeness of the articulator without turbulence, hard movement, and whistling-like noise. Affricate, produced by influencing more than one of the manners of articulation. Firstly, produce the sounds in alveolar ridge, then followed by or combined with fricative sounds. That's all my discussion of pledge and manner of articulation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.